difference. The difference between empathy and sympathy, which is very good positive reaction. First, I thought it was sympathy. We used to learn from childhood. We should show sympathy to poor and needy. Sympathy means all knows it's a positive reaction to a person's feelings or loss. We are expressing our sorry. Okay, we can care and concern others also. Then if you are very some people or we have better status also, we can do some charity. It will also come under sympathy. But empathy means it's very broader and liberal reaction to a person's feelings, innermost feelings. Sometimes we may used to think when we are in very big problem, we are thinking somebody should come and support, or someone should understand our real pain. That time we can approach only a person with empathy. So here what I would like to say, in this mechanic world, when we are all leading a hectic life and we are complaining like our kids not having much emotions like previous generation, they are leading a mechanical life, they don't know the pain of other people, means we have to teach them to be empathetic. Empathy means we are really means even if it is at a distance we are staying over there also, we can understand the other person's real pain. It may develop through our practice, okay, or else some people naturally they will be empathetic, but it's very rare. But practicing empathy also very difficult. So what I would like to suggest means, parents, just to try to teach your kids how to be empathetic in this mechanical world. Why I am again saying mechanical means, nowadays I have seen so many people are doing charity and helping poor and needy, and taking the kids to orphanage or wherever. The kids may come to know what is sympathy. Sympathy means we are feeling sorry to a loss of any person, or we can understand them, means it is not in the real sense. We are expressing some care and concern to the other person. But the empathetic means we are really standing the shoes of other person. Sometimes it may develop by the practice. Naturally means the natural empathetic person is a very real sacred thing. They can understand and feel our pain. Or if we can't fully feel the pain also, at least a fraction of the pain the other person is feeling, if we are going and sharing our feelings or sadness or misery, they will actively listen our problems. Why I am saying active means we can listen to anybody, no. If someone comes and share any feelings or saying, okay, even I am saying to you, okay, I have a problem, please listen, friend or brother or sister, all are ready to listen. No one can say no. But can we say they are empathetic or sympathetic? If they are showing sympathy means you will not get any good solution, because they are just listening you sometimes and they are saying, okay, you're sorry Aishu, or I am saying to somebody, okay, sorry, I can help you, or you're sorry for your loss. That means we are only showing some care and concern. But empathy means those person who is empathetic will really actively listen your problem, then they will feel the pain. That means a sacred thing and broader reaction to a person's hardship what they are going through. That means if I am going through a very big problem, I am sharing my problem to an empathetic person, or somebody is, if I am good and I can understand others' feelings, if they are sharing means I feel that same pain, I can listen them very carefully, actively, I can spend my time, then I can help them to find out some solution. Sometimes I may not able to provide any solution also. Actively I am listening and we can do something means other person feel very better. They feel okay, anyway we are listening and we are showing empathy. So here people, you just think empathy or sympathy, which is the broader reaction which will help our young kids or you to in growing up to understand others' pain. If they understand others' pain and misery only, they can be a very good human being in future. Or else nowadays we are seeing very educated youth hailing from big family also. Why they are go shortcut? No, they are going and mingling with the criminals. And here usually in Bangalore, I was shocked to see someone is selling pan barak or ganja, or they want to make money easily. For what? So what they learn from their parents means making money is the at most time, not like that. We can make money for the livelihood, we have to, but it should not be not through shortcut, because we have to do hard work. The parents can only guide our kids. No more than money, there is some values. We should feel others pain. We should console others from our bottom heart, and we have to feel the pain. Sympathy, there is one more problem I have seen in this city, because sometimes we are sympathetic to poor and needy. Even I used to take my kids to orphanage or some other slums to help others. What I wish as a mother means, okay, my kids will come to know not only the good things or very poor things, they should understand, okay, there is also some people, they are going through very hardships like that. Even I take and mingle with those people also, they feel only sympathetic. Then some parents, what they will do, they will go and help somebody, then they will publish in Facebook or any other media. There is two this one meanings. Sometimes they wanted to know others that, okay, we can also help others, like that is a good message. But sometimes it will impact negative feelings inside your kids' mind. They feel if we are going and doing some charity, it should be published. Then some kids, what they will think, tomorrow if they are helping someone, they may think we should announce that we help others. And sometimes what they will do, they want to get something from someone, means they may lie, or they use that sympathy, like I don't have father or mother, or I also so and so I became like that. So sympathy in the real sense we should teach our kids, but only teaching sympathy will not help the current generation to become a very good understanding human being, because nowadays there is no emotion. Still I am saying narcissist people are there. They will not have any emotion, or they will not have any feelings, means good feelings. Sorry, because I have still some throat problem. Then what they will do means, they will act as if they are in good relationship with the family and friends and dear ones. But since they only consider their feelings, what they will do means, they will break all the barriers, like this good what and all they have to maintain in the relationship, and then they can't understand the feelings and pain of the people who surrounds them. Then the kids, what they are saying, if the father or mother is like that, obviously the kids also, what they will understand means, okay, we can act, or we should be very helpful. Someone is in misery, we should not help, or they can't experience the pain of the other people. When I discuss with someone related to this problem, what we are seeing in the city, especially in cities, why I am saying means, in village they have so many opportunities to mingle with so many different type of people. But cities, what mainly we will do means, we will take them to a big coffee shop or posh cities, and that also we have to do to the kids should enjoy. The same time we have to make them to interact with the people who is not in our level. Then their pain, their grievances, everything our kids should understand. Then they may feel, ayo, we have to be very good to them, we have to help them whatever we can, like that they should understand, and they will get a positive reaction to the good people. Or bad people, what I am saying is, they will not go for the bad people, because if there is no empathy, what they will do means, only they will think of like narcissists. No, they don't have any emotion, they will run behind some other bad people to fulfill their aim. It would not be the good thing, because they may miscommunicate by the reactions or actions of the parents, or from their words, that only making money is the most aim of the life. Or someone, okay, even me also, we will say our students are studying, our kids are studying in this much big school, they score this much mark. That also we have to, because we are telling others that our kids are most good. Okay, the same time we should teach our kids the degree or the score, that is also must. Making money also must, but it should not be through shortcuts to this one. No, that time we may spoil the dreams of someone without emotions. So the parents first teach all kids from today onwards empathy. For that, first parents should learn what is empathy in this current era, mainly the young parents. Then they have to be compassionate to the other persons. The distance, sometimes we friends are at a distance also. This empathy, no, it will not because the distance will not affect that empathetic person's relationship. Even if we are saying they can experience the pain sitting far away, that time they will not criticize us before. First, they will actively listen the problems, they will experience the pain, then they may help us to find some good solution. The same time we should be sympathetic also. So friends, what I was trying to say today, the sympathy and empathy is the most beautiful reactions and the powerful reaction to an action of a person who is in need or misery, or they are in very they are going through a very hard times. So teach every kids, and we should also learn empathy. Why I am saying means, even empathy, I ask so many people, chuma I ask them, no, you know what is the meaning of empathy? Few kids, few youth, and few parents I ask, they are saying we don't know the real meaning of empathy, we know sympathy. So today onwards, try to be empathetic and practice empathy if you don't have naturally. But the person who is having empathy naturally means that is a very sacred reaction and the blessings. Okay, so they have to teach their kids also empathy, and the same time sympathy also we should follow in our life, and we can lead a happy life. We can experience the pain of the other person. That means no ordinary people can do. So you think more than money and our status, we are really great when we are empathetic to the person who is in need, and we have to experience their pain. If we can't understand fully the problems, just actively listen what others are saying. Before listening, no, we are just advising that anyone can do. Anyone can do criticism, anyone can advise, but the advice is not coming from the mind whether the other person is getting any relief. Sometimes our limited time to another person to hear things may console them. Then actively, we are listening, we can also help them to find out solution. Means we are sparing our time also precious, then sparing our precious time to someone is a gift. So dear parents, you please develop empathy. If you don't have, then you please educate your children how to be empathetic more than sympathetic, and lead a very happy peaceful life. It's me or I should just signing off. We will see you tomorrow with a very beautiful and motivating video, because still I am saying I have some physical problem. All can pray for me also. So sometimes I couldn't speak very clearly as I wish. Even then I am trying to reach people, because my passion, and I think my motivating words may change some small youth or kids or some parents. I'll be very happy. So take care, bye bye, see you tomorrow.